A major accident had occurred in the early hours of 26 March 2022 at BRIEW, MAWIONGRIM, Shillong, where a Bolero jeep had rammed into the road fencing in the area. Sources say that the vehicle that was traced through the mobile phone had plunged about 350 feet into the deep gorge. On being notified by relatives, the search team of the Meghalaya police, along with family members, informed that the vehicle owner, former district horticulture officer of RI-BHOI, SHANPRU, who was returning home to Shillong from an officers' meet at MAWIONGRIM, was later found at the site of the incident. SHANPRU was then taken to the Shillong Civil Hospital, where he was declared dead, sources informed.
Namarba ilet marway iwan marway nya kali hi temo ngatra nyopau ila don ngimda la namarba nakakam ila retayat la pumba kaptu gademo takai namarba ngiklem yo jintip o menem step khandai biji kumtu yo jintip moret yo jintip khandai biji amna